Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy PEIPEI token on Gate.io. This is one of the most trusted exchanges and it has a lot of volume of PEIPEI, so let's go ahead and use it. Now I'm on Gate.io application, and once you are on exchange option, you can go ahead and either deposit PEIPEI, but if you want to go ahead and buy it, you go ahead on search for PEIPEI. Choose it, and as you can see there is a few options. You can choose a spot, a bot, or earn. So choose any of these. I'm just going to choose spot, where you can buy it with USDT. After that, just click buy, choose the amount, and that's how much you will need to pay of PEIPEI on Gate.io. This is one of the options. After that, you will see it on your overview of your assets right there. Now, another way would be to go to your Web3 wallet on your Gate.io, and from here, search for your token. So let's search for PEIPEI, just like so. And as you can see, you can here buy it. So you want to click on it. Now, Solana and BNB Smart Chain doesn't have an option to buy it. No, as you can see, no supported markets found. But if you choose Ethereum network, you can see that you can buy it with Express, buy crypto with fiat, or swap it. So if you choose Express, as you can see, you can pay it with fiat money. Or if you swap it, you can swap it from USDT, for example. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you can go ahead and buy PEIPEI token on Gate.io. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.